Hello students, so in this video I will draw the top view of this component. Now you can see in the top view it will be first I will mark the 100 mm center horizontal, and then it will be circles 64 mm dia and 36 on the right hand side, on the left hand side 24 and 42 dia. So I will be marking of the I will get these center lines from this front view as well. Okay, so I will just extend this center lines from this front view. Yes, both sides. Okay, and now I'll be drawing the different circles, because circles will be visible in the top view. Okay, so here you can see the maximum is 64. So on the right hand side 64 mm circle is there. Yes, I can take 32, yes, the center, and plus 10 mm from xy I can take. Yes, I will take 10 mm suitable distance, 10, and it is 64 mm radius, then it will be 32. So 32 I will be taking as the center. Is 10, 20, 30, 32. So this is, I will be drawing the center line through this horizontal center line. Yes. Yes. Now I will be drawing the circles. Yes, on the right hand side you can see it is 64 mm outside circle, and inside is 36. So 64 mm and 36 mm. So you can check 64 mm and 36 mm. So I will be measuring 64 means 32 mm. 32 is the radius. So this is 32 mm I have measured. So I will be drawing the circle. Yes. Yes, this will be the outside. After this, now I will be drawing this inside circle 36 mm diameter. 36 means 18 mm radius. It is 10, 15, and this is 18. Okay, so I will be drawing another circle, inside circle. So it is having a slot as well, that I will draw later on. That 4 mm by 8 mm, that is for key slot. For it is a key slot there, that thing will be there. So I will be drawing a little bit here up to this only. Okay, so there will be a slot as well. Yes. Now you can see there are two circles on the left hand side, dia 42 and dia 24. Yes, it is dia, you can check, dia 24 and dia 42. Outside is 42, inside is 24. So outside is 42 means 21 mm, radius is 21 mm. So this is 21. I will be drawing outside first. So this is the outside circle, and inside is 24 mm, and it will be 12 mm. Diameter will be 12 mm. Oh, sorry, radius will be 12 mm, diameter is 24. So circles are okay now. Yes. Now next, what is next? Now you can check this 12 mm wedge is there, 12 mm, yes, at the center. So I'll be drawing this 12 mm just in between these two. This is 12 mm, that is 6 mm above and 6 mm below. So it will be 6 mm here, I'll be drawing, and 6 mm below. Yes, I'll be simply joining two horizontal lines through this up to the outside circles on both sides. Okay, so this is that inclined web, 12 mm thickness, that is in the center. Then you can see there are two tangents at the bottom edge. You can see the two tangents. I'll be joining these outside circles. Okay, yes. Okay, so these are, yes. Yes, what next now? Now you can see this is complete, only this slot is left, 8 by 4 mm. 8 by 4 mm slot is left, that thing you can check, 8 by 4 mm slot is left. Now I'll be drawing that, this 8 by 4 mm slot. So I'll be taking 8 mm means 4 mm above and 4 mm below. So it is 4 mm here and 4 mm below this line. Okay, so this is then it is 4 mm on this side, left hand side. I will be drawing a horizontal line. This is 4 mm. So this is for key slot. Okay, this is again 4 mm on the bottom of this center line, and then you can join this. So this is for the key slot. Yes, I think this is complete now. Now I'll be doing the dimensioning only. I'll be doing the dimensioning. You can check this is complete now. I'll be doing the dimensioning only. So I think this is complete now. You can check all the dimensions are there as per the aligned system I have done. So you can write it the top view as well. And this is the sectional front view. Sectional front view. Okay, so this is complete. I think this is complete. Sectional front view and the top view. So I hope you understood it. Thank you very much.